Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and tools on the market. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the realm of personal healthcare, the BEBIRD Ear Wax Removal Tool Camera. Let's explore why this is considered the best ear cleaner available. First off, what sets the BEBIRD R1 Ear Wax Removal Tool apart from the rest? Well, it's not just your ordinary ear cleaner. It's equipped with a high-definition 1080p camera and a 360 degrees wide-angle lens, providing a clear and comprehensive view of the ear canal. With 6 LED lights illuminating the area, you won't miss a spot. But what really makes this device stand out is its intelligent design. It connects seamlessly to your smartphone or tablet via Wi-Fi, allowing you to view real-time footage of your ear canal directly on your device. Plus, with the user-friendly app, you can capture photos and videos, making it easier to monitor your ear health over time. Now, let's talk about convenience. The BEBIRD R1 comes with a range of accessories, including 10 replacement tips, 6 ear picks, and 3 speculum sets, ensuring you have everything you need for a thorough cleaning. And with its long-lasting battery life, you can rely on this tool whenever you need it. But perhaps the most impressive feature of the BEBIRD R1 is its safety. With its temperature control system, the device maintains a constant temperature similar to that of the human body, ensuring a comfortable and risk-free experience. Plus, its IP67 waterproof lens makes cleaning a breeze. In conclusion, the BEBIRD R1 Ear Wax Removal Tool Camera truly lives up to its reputation as the best ear cleaner on the market. With its high-definition camera, intelligent app connectivity, and safety features, it offers a level of convenience and peace of mind that's unmatched by other products. Say goodbye to traditional ear cleaning methods and hello to the future of ear care with BEBIRD. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations.